In a world where the essence of giving is often overshadowed by the price tag, embracing frugal gifting can be a refreshing change. It's about returning to the heart of what makes gifts truly meaningful: thoughtfulness, creativity, and personal connection. Whether it's for holidays, birthdays, or just because, here are 20 tips for frugal gifting that will leave a lasting impression without straining your finances. Tip 1. Crafting personalized handwritten letters. A personalized handwritten letter stands as a testament to the time, thought, and emotion invested in its creation. Dive into memories, express heartfelt emotions, or articulate the impact the recipient has had on your life. The power of your words, written in your unique script, can surpass even the most extravagant gifts in sentimental value. Tip 2. The joy of DIY crafts and artwork. Embrace your creativity by crafting a gift that speaks volumes of your dedication. Whether it's a piece of art, a hand-stitched quilt, or a custom-made piece of jewelry, the key is to infuse the item with elements that reflect the recipient's taste, interest, or shared memory. Such gifts become cherished keepsakes, embodying the effort and love poured into them. Tip 3. Curating customized photo albums or frames. In a world inundated with digital images, a carefully curated photo album or a beautifully decorated picture frame holds immense charm. Select photos that chronicle shared adventures, milestones, or simple everyday moments that capture the essence of your relationship. Accompany each photo with captions or anecdotes for a more personal touch. Tip 4. Delighting with baked goods and homemade treats. The warmth of a kitchen filled with the aroma of baking is a universal symbol of love and care. Whether it's a family recipe or a new creation, baked goods and homemade treats are delightful gifts that cater to the tastes of the recipient. Present them in decorative tins or jars, possibly accompanied by the recipe, adding a personal twist. Tip 5. Sharing life with plant cuttings or seedlings. Gifting a piece of your garden through plant cuttings or seedlings is a deeply personal gesture, symbolizing growth and the nurturing of life. Choose plants that have a story or special significance and include care instructions to help the recipient foster their new green companion. Tip 6. The thoughtfulness of gift of time coupons. Designing coupons that offer your time and talents, be it for a homemade meal, a personal concert, or a day out in nature, is a creative way to show you care. Tailor each coupon to the recipient's needs or desires, making each offering a promise of shared experiences and cherished moments. Tip 7. Crafting curated playlists or digital mixtapes. In the age of streaming, a playlist curated with care can be a deeply personal gift, offering comfort, motivation, or a walk down memory lane. Select songs that have been the soundtrack to your shared experiences, or those that convey messages of love, support, and companionship. Tip 8. Assembling a personalized recipe book. Gather recipes that hold sentimental value, have been favorites at gatherings, or speak to the recipient's culinary curiosity. Personalize the collection with anecdotes, photos, or tips, transforming it into a treasure trove of culinary exploration and shared memories. Tip 9. Crafting handmade soap or bath bombs. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Creating soap or bath bombs allows you to tailor gifts to the recipient's sensory preferences. Experiment with colors, scents, and shapes to craft a luxurious, personalized spa experience that offers relaxation and rejuvenation. Tip 10. Constructing a memory jar. A memory jar filled with handwritten notes recounting cherished memories, inside jokes, and words of appreciation offers the recipient a jar full of reasons why they're valued. It's a gift that continues to give, providing a boost of happiness and fond remembrance with each note drawn. Tip 11. Gifting knitted or crocheted items. Hand-knitted or crocheted items carry the warmth of the time and thought invested in their creation. Choose colors or patterns that match the recipient's style, making your gift a cozy, personalized addition to their home or wardrobe. Tip 12. Personalizing tote bags or t-shirts. Transform plain tote bags or t-shirts into personalized canvases showcasing your artistry. Whether it's through painting, screen printing, or embroidery, tailor your designs to mirror the recipient's personality, interests, or your shared connections. Tip 13. The comfort of homemade candles. Crafting candles offers an opportunity to blend scents and colors for a personalized ambience. Whether it's calming lavender or energizing citrus, each candle can be a reflection of the recipient's personal haven. Tip 14. Mixing DIY spice mixes. Assemble spice mixes tailored to the culinary preferences of your loved one. Whether it's for barbecuing, baking, or everyday cooking, these mixes are not just practical, they're infused with the flavors of care and thoughtfulness. Tip 15. Creating personalized bookmarks. For the avid reader, a handmade bookmark is a simple yet thoughtful gift. Utilize materials like leather, fabric, or watercolor paper, adding a personal touch with quotes, illustrations, or charms that resonate with the recipient's tastes or interests. Tip 16. Offering digital art or graphic design. Leverage your digital art or graphic design skills to create a custom piece of art. Whether it's a portrait, a cherished quote, or a scene from a favorite memory, this modern gift offers a unique way to decorate their space. Tip 17. Decorating hand-painted mugs or plates. A set of hand-painted mugs or plates brings a personal touch to daily rituals. Use ceramic paints to add designs that are thoughtful and unique, making every sip or bite a reminder of your care. Tip 18. Assembling themed gift baskets. Create a gift basket centered around a theme that resonates with the recipient's interests or needs. From gourmet foods to dye-spas essentials, each item is selected with intention, making the basket a curated experience of thoughtfulness. Tip 19. Compiling a book of inspirational quotes. Collect quotes that inspire, motivate, or resonate deeply. Present them in a beautifully decorated book, making it a source of strength and encouragement that the recipient can turn to. Tip 20. Gifting the experience of learning. Offer to share a skill, craft, or knowledge, or enroll together in an online course that sparks mutual interest. This gift of learning is an investment in shared experiences and personal growth, enriching your bond. Conclusion. Elevating gifting to an art form. Frugal gifting reimagines the act of giving, emphasizing that the most profound gifts come from a place of thoughtfulness, creativity, and personal connection. These 20 strategies illustrate the vast possibilities for meaningful gifting that transcends financial value, inviting us to invest in the emotional and relational aspects of gift giving.